Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable secure boot for Battlefield 6. It's pretty simple. All you have to do, just go to the search bar and type your system information. Select this, then you'll able to see this window. So right here you can see that the secure boot is off. So before you do anything, you need to make sure that the BIOS mode should be UEFI. Once you're sure about that, you can just follow the next process. In that, we need to hit right click on the Windows icon, then select this option disk management. Then here we need to look for Windows drive, so which is in the disk 0. So I'll just hit right click here and select this option properties. Right here, just go to the volumes tab, and here you will able to see the partition style. It should be GPT, otherwise you need to convert this in GPT and then only you can follow the next process. In my case it is already GPT, so we can move to the next step. And the next step is that just close everything, and just again we need to open the Windows icon, hit right click on the power button and just click on restart. Now while your PC is restarting, you need to spam your delete key or F2 key continuously until you are in your BIOS. Now once your BIOS is open, you need to go to the advanced mode. Doesn't matter if your BIOS is different, you can follow the same process. So here we need to click on boot, then select this option CSM. Right here you need to check this launch CSM option should be disabled, so just disable that. Once you do that, we'll just get back from this screen and gonna select this option secure boot. Right here we need to change the OS type from other OS to Windows UEFI mode, and just here you will able to see the option for key management. Open that and just click on this one, install default secure boot keys, and just select yes from here. Once you do that, it's time to save the settings. For that you need to hit F10 key, and just here we need to click on OK. Now your PC will restart, and once it is done, you can just go to the search bar and type system information again to see if the secure boot is on or not. And yeah, there you go, the secure boot is now enabled. So we are ready to play the Battlefield 6 now. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.